My name is A'ishah Muhammad, and I'm the author of Coming Back Home Recipes for Good Dining and Good Health, along with Sister Kimberly D. Muhammad. This is my first time attending Black Chicago Eats. Last year, I was out of town, but when I got back, I heard wonderful things about the energy, the spirit, the various businesses that came and showed out. And this year, it was exactly what I expected and then some. I'm inspired actually by the other vendors, by some of the ideas that I saw, and I'm really, really honored to have been asked to be a part of it, because it was a beautiful experience to see our people interacting with our people and other people coming as well to see the various skills, talents, and all the wares that we have in our community. And the other part of it is that black dollar was turning around right here. We were taking our money, we were sharing it with each other, and we were enjoying each other's company. There was no negative energy. It was all positive. Even when we bumped into each other, people turned around and said, "I'm so sorry." It was wonderful. This was a great effort. People worked really hard. It's been a long day, but I'm so proud of us just looking around and just to be a part of it. Well, I was vending this cookbook, and I feel really humble because Brother Tory, who was one of those who initiated this idea last year and this year, asked me to come and be a part of it. So I took the cookbook that Sister Kimberly and I produced some years ago. It's been updated, and we brought some of our products here today, and we're pretty much done. I mean, we sold a banana bread, the navy bean roasted red pepper hummus, the navy bean roasted garlic hummus, spinach quiche, broccoli quiche with a homemade buttery crust, because we don't play, MGT, throw down. So we didn't buy anything, we made it all, and I'm just so proud that it seemed to be very well received, because we left samples, and once we put the samples out, we didn't have to sell it. It sold itself.
Are any of those recipes in that cookbook?
There are those recipes, and the biggest one is the quiche. And I really firmly believe, along with Sister Kimberly D., that whatever Allah has blessed us to get, it's not us, but He gave us a recipe and we were inspired to do it and put it together. We put it together in the book exactly how we do it, so that people could go home and duplicate it and nothing would be missing, because we believe in sharing it. There are no new ideas, but we do understand that sometimes people just need a little bit of help. And Allah gave this to us, so we're sharing it with our community. So we've been very fortunate. Some people went online immediately and purchased it by going to Amazon, and all you have to do is put in Coming Back Home Recipes. You don't even have to put the whole title. The book pops up, our names pop up. You can go online, you can order it, you can get a hard copy and an electronic version. So praise be to Allah. This is what we were here pushing today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please explore thecollective9.org website and subscribe to the newsletter. Explore the site and make sure you check out Web TV.